Thermarest chair kits convert your Thermarest mattress into a comfortable camp chair. There are 3 chair kits available to use with the Thermarest mats. The compact chair kit is the lightest, built with sil nylon fabric and fitted with aluminum stays. This can be used with any of the Thermarest fast and light mats. For trail mats and for some of the base camp series, the Trekker chair and Trekker lounge are a wide fit and provide extra comfort. To assemble the compact chair and the Trekker chair kit, open the valve on your Thermarest mattress to partly inflate the mat. Release the buckles on your chair kit and slide the valve end of the mattress into the chair sleeve. Fold the end of the mattress to fit into the bottom pocket. Fasten the center strap and buckle across the mattress to keep it secure. Tighten the side straps to bring the chair into an upright position. Once in the chair, adjust the side straps for comfort and support. To assemble the Trekker lounge, open the valve to partly inflate your mat. Then reinsert the foot end into the Trekker lounge. Fit the head of your mat into the fleece pocket at the end of the Trekker lounge and position the mat's valve at the mesh opening. The Trekker lounge can be used in 3 configurations: a mattress cover, a lounge, or a chair. To use as a lounge, connect the side release buckles and tension them for comfort. To use as a chair, fold the foot end in half and assemble the webbing tabs with the ladder lock buckles. Now tuck the foot of the mat into the fleece pocket and connect the side release buckles, once again tensioning for comfort. Additional pressure can be created by inflating your Thermarest mattress with a few breaths. When packing up the Trekker lounge, it is possible to keep the lounge fitted to your mattress and roll up the lounge with the mat still in it. To do this, first remove the stays from the lounge. There is an opening in the webbing sleeve that the stay can be removed via. These stays can be stowed in a pocket located at the foot of the lounge. Now open the valve and fold the mat several times. This will expel most of the air. Following this, close the valve, unfold the mat, and now roll it up again, starting at the foot end, pushing all the remaining air towards the valve. When necessary, open the valve to bleed the remaining air out. Once the Thermarest mattress and lounge are rolled up, you can use the straps located at the head of the lounge to secure the mat. For more information on Thermarest products, please visit thermarest.com.